we are doing laundry, going to the grocery store, house cleaning. Good morning and welcome everyone. Today is Saturday. Today I have a lot to do. I didn't clean the house for a very long time and the apartment is in a mess, as you can see all over the place. There are so many things and living room is the same. But before getting started, I need to eat something. Hello guys, it's 6:15 right now and we are gonna leave for a walk with Mika, and after that we need to bed Mika, so that's why we are trying to like leave early. And I don't think I will be vlogging anymore. I know this week's vlog was a little bit shorter than usual and a little bit more silent. You just saw the clips, and I thought it will be a like more relaxing video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed watching someone else cleaning the house and organizing the stuff. I know in my previous videos when I did the cleaning, everyone like commented and liked that video, so I thought it will be much similar to that, but more focused on the cleaning and organizing more than the vlog style. And hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Do my thing, my girl is in the club, yeah, we're feeling down to be, yeah,